Hi, it's Ty with WTI, and behind me you can see Maytex curtain rod. So this is something I got here to the bedroom, and this was super easy to install. So all you needed to do is to it works with the tension. But if you feel that you have super heavy curtains, so it also comes with a pair of little screws. So if you need that support, you have the holes for that, but you don't necessarily need it. And I don't need it because it works with the tension itself, especially in a place that you don't need to move the curtains all the time. And I kept these stickers here for the sake of video. So it says how to basically work this thing. So it was super easy. It took like 10 seconds to put it on. And I just turned everything the way it says, and now I can take the stickers off. So super easy. I recommend to anybody who doesn't want to have the commitment of like, okay, I need to now decide to always have this curtain rod in this window. You can easily take it out and use it in any window in your house you want to. So it's not earmarked for one location only. And that's why I like it. And that is my point of view.